Nestled in the heart of Arkansas, Little Rock boasts a unique blend of urban charm and natural beauty. Homeowners in this vibrant city look for ways to enhance their home's comfort, style, and energy efficiency while embracing the local climate. One of the most effective upgrades for Little Rock homes is the installation of casement windows. These versatile and functional windows offer numerous benefits that make them an ideal choice for the area's diverse needs. Maximized ventilation for Little Rock's climate. Little Rock experiences warm summers and cool winters, making proper ventilation a priority for many homeowners. Casement windows, which open outward on a hinge, allow for maximum airflow. Unlike traditional window styles, casement windows open fully, enabling you to capture breezes and direct them into your home. This feature is especially useful during Little Rock's warmer months, helping to cool your living spaces naturally and reducing reliance on air conditioning. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Maintaining energy efficiency is essential in Little Rock's varying weather conditions. Casement windows are designed to seal tightly when closed, preventing drafts and minimizing heat transfer. This airtight seal makes them highly energy efficient, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Additionally, many casement windows come with advanced glass options, such as low-E coatings and double-pane designs, which further enhance energy savings and comfort. Unobstructed views of Little Rock's beauty. With its picturesque landscapes and scenic neighborhoods, Little Rock offers plenty of stunning views for homeowners to enjoy. Casement windows are designed with a single pane of glass and minimal framing, providing unobstructed views of the outdoors. Whether you're admiring your garden, the city skyline, or the natural beauty of nearby parks, casement windows bring the outside in, creating a seamless connection to your surroundings. Natural light to brighten your home. Little Rock homeowners appreciate the importance of natural light in creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Casement windows, with their large glass surfaces, allow sunlight to flood your living spaces. This abundance of natural light not only reduces the need for artificial lighting but also creates an open and airy ambiance that enhances the overall appeal of your home. Durability and weather resistance. Little Rock's climate includes occasional storms and high humidity, making durable and weather-resistant windows a must. Casement windows are built to withstand these challenges. Modern options are crafted from materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which resist warping, corrosion, and moisture damage. Their tight seals also help protect your home from rain and wind, ensuring long-lasting performance in any weather. Enhanced security. Security is a top concern for Little Rock homeowners, and casement windows deliver peace of mind. Their locking mechanisms are integrated into the frame, making them more secure than many other window types. When closed, the crank system locks the window tightly, deterring intruders and adding an extra layer of protection for your home and family. Customizable options for every style. Little Rock homes come in a variety of architectural styles, and casement windows can be customized to match any aesthetic. Whether you prefer a modern look with sleek frames or a classic design with decorative grills, These windows can be tailored to suit your preferences. You can also choose from different materials, finishes, and glass options to create a look that complements your home's unique character. Easy operation and maintenance. Casement windows are designed for ease of use, making them a practical choice for homeowners of all ages. The crank mechanism allows for smooth opening and closing, even in hard-to-reach areas like above sinks or counters. Additionally, their outward opening design makes cleaning both sides of the glass simple and convenient, helping you maintain their pristine appearance with minimal effort. Increased property value. Upgrading to casement windows can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal and overall value. Prospective buyers in Little Rock appreciate the energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic appeal that these windows provide. Installing casement windows is a smart investment that not only improves your living experience but also boosts your home's marketability. Conclusion. Casement windows are an ideal choice for Little Rock homes, offering a perfect balance of functionality, style, and durability. From maximizing ventilation and energy efficiency to providing stunning views and enhanced security, these windows cater to the unique needs of the area's homeowners. Whether you're renovating your home or planning a new build, casement windows are a practical and stylish upgrade that will enhance your home for years to come. Contact a trusted local installer today to explore how casement windows can transform your Little Rock living space.